Hey everybody, you guys, we're gonna do an awesome transformation today. I cannot wait. Look at this gorgeous girl, beautiful, and she's got so much hair. It's almost one length, you feel? We're gonna give her a total transformation. We're gonna be flared away. We're gonna create some texture, some moving layers. But I just wanna show you guys a really cool technique. So we're gonna start this whole haircut with the fringe hair. So check this out. We're gonna ice the comb at the top of the high point of the fringe, right here. We're going to isolate that area, take it right to the corner of each eye, and just get nice clean sections. Speaking of clean sections, we're going to use our Barracuda Comb Clip. We're going to bring it right on the scalp, slide it in, and bam. And we'll do the same thing, nice clean separation. Comb clip again, and slide it in and isolate. By the way, I'm using the Craft Shears. I got a 6.2 incher here. Absolutely love the shear, amazing. I use the wide teeth now of this comb. By the way, this is the Amplified Hybrid. Obsessed with this cutting comb right now. You can get it on our site.